The microfinance industry today looks very different from what it looked like a few years ago. Customers are changing, technology is changing, compliance requirements are changing, competition is increasing. The lenders who continue relying on outdated systems and outdated thinking will eventually struggle. The future of microfinance belongs to businesses that embrace automation, data, risk management, technology, smarter collections, and better customer experiences. Modern lenders need visibility and control. That is why systems like the QuintPay DebiCheck systems, our analytics, affordability tools, automation has become absolutely essential. At QuintPay, we believe the future belongs to lenders who adapt early and build strong businesses. Innovation is no longer optional. It is the future of growth.